Hello guys, I am making another video today. I'm going to change the filter. I just taken out this filter from inside. You can see how bad is this filter. You can see it's completely blocked and the airflow was really bad on my upstairs on my vents. So now we're going to put a new one, and new one supposed to be go like this. It's got a hole there. It's go like this. Sorry, it's got a hole there. I have taken out this one from the old one, and then I'm putting this one from yes, I'm putting this one back here. It just gave me the arrow too. It's supposed to be go like this. So this is how the, because it's the crawl space in our house. It's really tiny space. This is our furnace. This is how the furnace look like. They gave a extra space here. It's supposed to be inside the furnace as I have seen so many pictures. So this is our inlet. It brings the air down to there, from upstairs to down to there, and then this just goes from this furnace.
Papa, I have one question.
Go to this furnace. It is really tiny space. I have to take this one.
That one?
My God, let me go out and go a little bit back, and I show you the rest of the. This is how it looked like. So it's a crawl space, very tiny space. It's you barely can sit here. I put some plastic and I was sitting on the plastic, so it's supposed to be take them out. My son was here helping me. I also have to watch some more instructions because I normally don't come here downstairs. Just look around if there is any leak or something like that. So all looks to me okay. I didn't even find a leak on the furnace too. So I just changed the furnace filter today. That was my furnace, and that's what it looked like downstairs. And also these are the room vents. I have to put them a wrap. I have to put them insulation. I won't be able to do it today, but soon I will be doing the insulation for them. And that's nice. I just completed the filter change, and see, I will go upstairs and see how the airflow is right now.